welcome. We're at the Installer Show and we're here with Mike Wilton of Sauermann. And today we're going to be talking about saving time with Sauermann software. Please, could you give us an overview of the Sauermann Flue gas analyzers?
Yes, of course. We have the three ranges of gas analyzer. We have the Seeker 030, the Seeker 130, and the Seeker 230. The 030 is mainly our domestic gas analyzer, 3.5-inch screen, touch buttons, but unfortunately it doesn't have an internal memory system. But it still gives, obviously, all the correct test points. So you've got your gas analysis, you've got your nearby tightness testers, and also you've got your temperature test as well. On your 130, it differs a little bit, just purely because the Seeker 130, that can go into a light commercial arena as well as domestic. They still give you 2 to 3 sensors, but you can have a little bit of a choice between the sensors. So you can have your O2, CO, and you can have your low NO or your NO total. But that obviously, because of the main gas pump and its internal memory system, that can go into a light commercial arena as well. Okay. The main gas pump, you're looking at really about a 1.6 to 1.8 litres per minute to go through that as well. So it's a really good pump, and it's really good for obviously on the more light commercial side. Now the Seeker 230 is our larger industrial or heavy commercial industrial analyzer. That can have up to 6 sensors, and obviously that's got the two main gas or 2 gas pumps in there. You've got a dilution pump, and you've also got a main gas pump as well. Also, that has, like the 130, has an internal memory system with a 5-inch touchscreen as well. On the touchscreen side, it's mainly up and down, not a side shift, but again, it's a really good tool to have the colour touchscreen as well on there.
Great, thank you. Now, there's Sauermann PC software, and there's the Sauermann, combustion app.
Yeah.
Which models are compatible with both or either?
So they're all compatible.
Okay.
Really, the 030 lends itself more to have the app alongside.
Yeah.
Just purely the way because it doesn't have an internal memory system, the 030. So to have that in internal memory, you have to have it alongside your phone or a tablet.
Yeah.
The app is also free to download on an app or a tablet as well. And once you're registered inside, you can use the actual app for as a remote control, a database, so you can save all your data on there, and you can also build a report out of that data that's actually downloaded. Now, one of the other big benefits of having the actual app as well, you can also do your firmware updates. We also notify customers, end users as well, that the software update it gives the message on the actual app and not anywhere else. So you're not going to get tired of any emails being shot your way. So obviously via the app, once you've got your credentials in, then it will fire a message system to then say you need to update your analyzer.
Yeah, you're not going to miss it.
No.
Yeah.
On the 030, you can only do that update via the Bluetooth.
Okay.
It's obviously Bluetooth compatible. So once you've got your phone and your the app phone to the analyzer connected, then you can do the update that way. It's a little bit different for the 130 because you can do that via the cable.
Okay.
Via a laptop, which is it's a little bit quicker, not a great lot of deal quicker. One of the main reasons for the cable on the 130 is that you can put information from the analyzer, obviously because it's got an internal memory base, and then you can fire that information into your laptop base, so you can export a lot more details and a lot more files from the actual analyzer itself onto your laptop, which gives another little bit of functionality, especially if you want to deal in raw data with XML files and stuff like that. It'll give you that sort of extra functionality as well.
So is that the difference then between the app and the PC software?
Yeah, so the only real main difference between them both is because compatibility and functionality, it works exactly the same. So you still can use your laptop if you like as a remote control.
Yeah.
You can keep the data on there, and you can also keep all the extra data. So you get your customer management on there. You can have your equipment management on there as well. So there's also that amount of data that can go onto the laptop. It can also, some of that data can also go onto your memory system of the analyzer, but you're only going to get 200 megabytes on the actual analyzer storage space anyway. So that's as much as you can carry. So it'd be good to periodic times to export that information out of the analyzer and actually into somewhere you can save it, which is probably as safe as a laptop really to grasp. So that's the real sort of main difference, is you can get that information from your analyzer into the laptop. And the 130 and the 230 are exactly the same. They can operate with the cable to do the imports. The 030 can't, because it's got no internal memory system again. And like I say, because it's our entry level product, you know, not having that functionality is really about the price point. So yeah, so it's really about the price point. So not to have that functionality, it doesn't really slow the 030 down at all. It just makes it a little bit different to use rather than the 130 and the 2.
Yeah, it's like horses for courses, isn't it?
It is, yes.
What you prefer.
Like you say, the 030 in a domestic arena, you know, is still a very, very good and capable analyzers. And one of the main benefit and feature that I like around all three of the analyzers is how easy they are to use. Obviously, a lot of people get turned off about the software use, but it's a really simple to use analyzer.
So what I was going to ask you was, is there an unexpected feature or capability in either the app or the software that people wouldn't expect to find or wouldn't think much about, but actually come to really rely on?
Yeah, so on the PC version and on the app, there's a few extra functionalities that really that people don't really know about, and I don't think you use them that much. But the first one is the customer database. You can hold all your customer database on there, and once you put your customer database on there, and you can have your equipment database on there. So the equipment that you're working with, so your analyzer equipment, a gas leak detector equipment, but also the equipment that you've worked on.
Yeah.
And the best part about that, once you've got all that data inside the analyzer or on the actual app itself, then when you build a report, it becomes a lot more simplistic, really.
Yeah.
It's a simple process to go through. It's more of a system-directed system to go through. So it'll ask you what customers are, and then once it's in loaded, you can just search for your customer, press OK, and it'll insert that customer into the report, and it also does the same for the equipment as well.
Yeah.
So in really a couple of minutes, you've really got an in-depth report on what you've worked on, the equipment you've worked on it with, the equipment that you've worked on, so what boiler manufacturer you've worked with and stuff like that. So it does have all that level of detail. And like I say, on the other side of it, you can also add pictures to the reports as well from your tablets and from the mobile phone. So if you've done a service or you've changed any parts, you can do it before and after, and you put those pictures actually on the report as well. So again, it just adds to the benefits and features of having that app and giving everybody as much information as you possibly can to the customer.
But also saving you time, because often gas engineers or whoever, even electricians, they spend a lot of time reporting, and it's not their favourite thing to do.
No, it's not.
So this saves a lot of time.
Yeah, it does. And on the administration side of it, you can sit in your van for 2 or 3 minutes and you can get that part of it done. You can also, once you've created that report, you can also just fire it over simple via email. You can also save it by PDF, XML, JPEG file. So we're also giving you the functionality to actually get that report WhatsApped to your customers. Or even if it's just the screen of the analyzer itself, you can actually save that and you can upload that to the report as well. So it just gives more information for the customer. It cuts out the admin time for the installer. So it's a real big win-win, time and money saver really.
Yeah. So what is the main message you want people to take away from this talk today?
Our main message, and it's really our sort of ethos and around Sauermann, is we're always looking for the new wave of efficiency. Try and help installers be accurate, but trying to do it in a simplistic manner that really isn't going to take much time. And also, we sort of realise that this time is money for these guys. So we want to make them productive as much as we possibly can, rather than having downtime with analyzer issues as well. So the robustness, the new wave of efficiency, you know, it's all down in the Sauermann way, really.
Great, thank you. Thank you for talking to us today. And remember, you can buy Sauermann's range of flue gas analyzers on our website, tester.co.uk.